What's up, guys? My little video on the Nibbi carburetors on this Lifan 125 pit bike. Sorry in advance if you watch my first riding video with it. Terrible camera work. I had a backpack mount on and it was pretty bad. But so in that video, I mean, it's cutting up, dying out. I mean, it ran all right on the top end with the biggest jets that Nibbi sent with it. But I got my jet kit in earlier in the week. So the last video I had a 108 main and a 40 pilot with the needle moved up one clip. Messed with a little bit yesterday evening, and today ended up with a 115 main and a 45 pilot with the needle dropped down one clip from center, and she's running. Also got these in the mail this week too. Can't wait to test them out and on some actual trails. The Pirelli Scorpion Extra J seemed to be a pretty nice tire, relatively soft. Amazingly didn't pinch any tubes. I hate changing these 10-inch tires, but that's just where I'm at. Oh, and then about 2 to 2 1/4 turns out on the air fuel screw, and it could still be tuned out a little bit better, but I have next to no dead spot from the 0 to 1/4 throttle, and it picks up off like real fast after that. So I'm happy with it, and it's good enough for me. I'm gonna leave it be till I need to change it. But I got a little video of it running now, ripping in the yard, and made up a little helmet mount. So my video is a little bit better than the backpack strap. And that's how I got it set up now. I'm gonna try and 3D print one that looks a little bit nicer, but for now, that's gonna have to do it.